gentlemen, welcome back to the Neo Tech YouTube channel. This is Zach Neo out here, and again, welcome to the exciting tutorial of FL Studio. The last video I made, I showed you how to remix the songs, and in this video, we're gonna learn how do we make hard, aggressive, angry, and dramatic type of trap beat. Before I get started, I want you all to know what trap beat means. Trap beats are those beats which gives us, many emotions at the same time. For example, when we listen to those beats, we feel anger, we feel sad, sometimes we feel too much energetic, powerful. At the same time, all of them happen simultaneously. So those beats are called trap beats. And we need synth, we need much more. We need bass, and we need many things. So let's start with melody. For melody, just click on citrus, go to the plus button, open the citrus out here, and once you open the citrus you will get a screen like this. So you open the citrus. After that, go on the piano roll, click on the piano roll, and once you open the piano roll, just create a pattern like this that I already created. Okay guys, just create this kind of pattern. Just for example, wait a second, yeah, here, create a pattern like this. So that's the type of pattern you need to create. That's your melody. That's gonna be your master melody in this song. And using this melody, you're gonna add beats, you're gonna add a bass or different things after that. But first of all, just create a pattern like this. And then after you create a pattern like this, just go back. Yeah, here. After that, you need beats. Okay, guys. So for beats, I have selected kicks like this. So add the kicks and make a pattern like this with kicks like this. So now we got the kicks, then add the claps. For example, let's see if I added claps. Yes, I've then add claps, add hats, and add snares. And with snares, you have to make similar pattern as I have created. Just create the same pattern. Don't mess up with the buttons. Don't create some kind of unusual pattern and that will sound weird. Just create the pattern that I've created. This pattern is gonna help you very, very much, and you're gonna learn so much from this pattern. So after creating this pattern, let's play it. So now we have added kicks, clap, hat, and stand. Now the time for us is just use an attack hat and open hi-hat and add that hat into it so that it'll sound more awesome. It'll sound more beat type. Now I added that plugin right here. Now if you want these plugins, you can just go out here browser and just search for all of these. Just search for all of these plugins. For example, you need an hi-hat, so I have searched like ADTACK attack hat. Click on the search and you'll find the attack hats here. Here, attack at 15. This is the hat that I have used here, right here at the 6th one. This is the hat I have used. So let's add this hat and let's listen. Let's listen to it. Now you have to go to the piano roll, just click here and fill, 2 steps. After you click on fill 2 steps, then you have to go again to the piano roll, open the piano roll up, and just make a pattern like this. Here, make a pattern like this, here and here. Just listen to it once again. So now that's how we add hats also. Now the time for us is to add bass. So I use a transistor bass. You can find the transistor bass. Just click here and search transistor bass. You'll find transistor bass right here. Just click on the transistor bass and you'll get a screen like this. Then you have to do nothing. Just just select here, go back to the plugin section, and what I have to do is you don't have to mess with this transistor base. You don't have to do anything with the transistor base, just as it is. Leave it, just open it, then leave it, then click on it, then go to the piano roll of this transistor base, and once you click on the piano roll, then create a pattern like this pattern. Okay guys, after you create a pattern like this, it'll sound a little bit cool, a little bit as we want it to sound like. For example, it'll sound like this here, this map bass. So this is how it sounds like. So now we have got bass, we have got melody, we got beats, but something is lacking. What's that something? That something is I don't know what that something is called, but I just use it, citrus once again, and I just find here, open the citrus, and once you open the citrus out here, you have to click on the citrus, click on this button, open the presets, and in the presets you have found acoustic nylon. Sorry, I used acoustic steel. You have to click acoustic nylon. Once you open the acoustic nylon, then you have to go to the acoustic nylon here. I will just rename it. Let me rename it once. Sorry. Yeah. Here. Acoustic nylon. Anyways, so name it. So I have opened the acoustic nylon. After opening the acoustic nylon, go to the piano roll and open the piano roll and create a pattern like this that I already created. Let me just zoom this out a little bit so that you can watch what I've created. So create a pattern like this. So let me show you how it sounds after that. Click on this. Yeah, right. So it sounds like this. Yeah, here. Let's go on the channel rack, click on acoustic nylon, piano roll once again, and you'll find acoustic nylon piano roll out here. Just listen to it. So ladies and gentlemen, this was today's video, and I showed you how do you create an hard trap angry type of beat using the default plugins of FL Studio. Now if you liked the video, I want you all to hit that thumbs up button, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and help me to reach 1,000 subscribers, because it's new TV as cool as it gets. Now I'll take your leave and I'll see you in my next video. And you can listen to this song. Thank you for watching the video.